So, didn't do a video yesterday mainly because super busy day at work. Still making progress, getting a bit more familiar with some of the keys, particularly in key combinations. I'm still finding, because there's quite a lot that I don't know, that I'm sort of typing with a raised hand, like typing like this most of the time. So I'm trying to more actively get in the habit of touch typing when I know where the keys are, and just taking my hand off and looking and then touch typing again. But it is still extremely slow. So we'll see how we're going. So this is a new exercise 20A. I haven't done this one yet, so oops. Oops. Doing this when I'm tired is like the worst thing, because I'm really not paying attention. So that's really annoying me, because I keep hitting the space and double tapping with a full stop. I'm not sure if that's like a feature where it tries to detect the end of a sentence, but it's really annoying. So there's definitely some of the keys that I'm much more confident with now and I can do quite quickly. And key combinations, and I think that's just frequency of use. Oops. Yeah, so far so good. I mean, I have done a fair amount of the exercises between the last time I did a video. So I am trying to also make sure that I spend some time doing it each day, so that I do get that touch typing practice, where maybe I'm not doing it so religiously as I should be when I'm actually writing. And I am using dictation quite a lot, purely because trying to type large volumes of text is just a real waste of my time. So there are instances where I'm using either the voice-in plugin for Chrome, or Google Docs has voice typing. So those are two tools which I'm using quite extensively, just so I can keep up with my workload. Yeah, it is challenging, especially if you're used to just working very, very quickly and efficiently. Oop, comma. still not fully confident with the V. I haven't used it enough to be fully confident with it yet, so that's where we're at. Basically, I think it's day 6 maybe now. So there's still 16 odd exercises to go through, and I mean this one has quite a lot. And then this is where you start having big passages to type, so that takes a lot of concentration, but it's also more like what I do during the day, so being able to get to that kind of situation where I can do that effectively will be really great. So watch this space, I'll carry on practicing and we'll see where we are tomorrow.